try hard. Them girls that not pretty in a real life, you pretty in a real life. Your body look good, sit right, sit right. Your thing turn up, pussy well tight, well tight. Body clean and no cellulite, and your skin just a glow like pepper light.
Give me a little model scratch. Give me a little model scratch. Hold on. All right. You can break it down that low. Alright.
Hey guys, Sweetness here, and it's going to be my birthday tomorrow. So I'm here like about to do some shopping. And
Where you at?
We're going to Jamaica in 2 weeks, so I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm just picking up a few of those. But guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me, and yeah, it's gonna be a bumpy ride before Jamaica starts.
What's up guys, Sweetness here, and I'm back with another video. Oh, you hear my phone going off because it's my birthday. Sending birthday notifications. So yes, we need to unlock the phone first. Yes, anyways. So hubby just walked into the door. Yes, I'm gonna bait out his scene.
Hey, stop dating out the scene.
But it's my birthday today and I'm feeling great, I must say. I don't know where he has planned. I don't know what he has planned for today, but we're on our way. And it should be fun. Again, he knocked himself in the door. This should be a little adventure for today. And yeah, so I'm excited. So I have my little lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. Anyways, I'm gonna get inside of this car and we're gonna like go on the road right now.
Come smile.
I mean, walking up and down like a.
What would you say such things?
Ah!
I didn't get your facial reaction. Like I feel sad now.
It's you!
Yes, it's me. How you doing?
Morning.
Oh man, I'm good.
I want you to come over and like I thought you were gonna like walk over and surprise her.
I was going to, but I'm like,
I don't know why you stopped. Because I didn't want to tell, like I didn't want to like hint it to her, right?
Hi.
Hi. Sorry. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so it's a photoshoot, hey?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so get your stuff ready.
So yes, I'm about to do a photo shoot, guys. He surprised me with my birthday photo shoot. I'm so excited. My darlings. What a guy. I'm drinking some bubbly. I'm feeling kind of tipsy because it doesn't take much to get me tipsy.
So hold on, before you gotta do this is behind the scenes, so
About to get down on the ground to do some floor shots, baby. And yes, so thank you, hubby, once again. I love you to pieces.
love you too, baby.
I appreciate you.
What's what the photo shoot's happening today? What's going on? What's
The concept I'm going for is beauty. It's right there. Bow. See that picture on the job. Let's get it.
So he bought me this dress. So I decided to, you know, have this to be one of my pieces and my first piece that I'm gonna model. So yes, we shall see how it goes. Okay, so this is my second outfit. All white, baby. All white. He's loving it. So I am beautiful. No, I told him I knew what was gonna go down. No, I did not know. Okay.
Nah.
I just knew it was a photo shoot.
How do you know it was a photo
Well,
shoot?
you told me to like have three sets of clothing, right? You told me to have 3 sets of clothing. Make sure they're like something that you're comfortable in. So I'm like, is he gonna have like family members around? So I wasn't too sure like if we're doing something, but I'm like, then he said, oh, it's only from such and such time till such time.
No, because
You
okay.
gave it away, bro. You basically you gave her the gift. You said, here's the gift, or, you know, but don't shake it too much, because inside it's fragile.
Like, oh gosh.
Right? It's flat. It may break if you drop it, you know. But don't worry. I'm giving you a plate of information. you basically.
All right.
You basically gave her a gift. The gift was a plate. You basically told her what it was before she got it.
Information, yep. So I kind of like, I didn't look to your phone or anything like that, but I'm just like, I'm like, I wonder if this guy has fun.
Because I'm like, yo, I don't want to. I'm like, I can't delete this conversation. First of all, that means I have to go back and ask him for the address, which I don't want to go do that. I like to make sure I have everything. I'm like, you know what? I'm like, you know what? I'm like,
I'm not like you. I wouldn't go to your phone.
whatever. Whatever.
Sorry, I wasn't out loud.
So yeah, no, I did not know these, and so it was a big surprise, you know, and I'm happy that it's, you know, this photographer over her. T-Dot pics.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you did good.
All right.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, goodbye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it today.
No problem.
I'm happy that it's him once again. I'm so happy. Yes, guys, that is the end of my day, my photo shoot. My birthday photo shoot from my husband. Greatly appreciated.
And now it's time to go eat.
It's now time to go and eat. Hey guys, so now we're hungry. And now we're going to Jack Astor's to get some food up in my belly. So the amount of love that I'm getting on my birthday today is amazing. Like, oh my god, like it's just overshowered. It's just overpouring of love and appreciation. Like, it's just amazing. When you just get the love, it feels nice to know that, you know, people appreciate you. And I tell people it's the simple things that matters. Simple things. Just telling somebody that, you know, happy birthday, wish you well, God bless you, pray that God continues to bless you with, you know, whatever your heart desires, you know, those little things, honestly, it matters. I don't know if some people don't really like look at those things, but I do. Like, so I thank each and everybody who sent me a birthday message. I thank you and I love you guys, like, honestly, dearly. I just feel special today. Can't you tell? I'll be smiling behind the camera.
Tell them what your message is.
What?
Tell them what.
Oh. Well, I'm getting a lot of messages. I'm getting a lot of messages that I'm trying to reply back right now, because if I don't reply now, then it's going to be like a lot to reply after. So I'm just keeping up with my messages for the day, but try to concentrate on hubby as well, because we are on a date.
It's okay. It's your birthday. I don't mind. It's okay. Do your thing. Because I'm recording you. It's your day. I don't matter today.
Of course you matter. You're taking care of me today.
Am I?
Yes.
Am I doing a good job?
You are. So I'm on my way to my guy who makes my clothes. And
You don't want puppy. I have puppy.
let me see how it fits. Yes, it fits. You like it?
Oh, yeah. So what am I gonna wear now? All white?
Tell him to cut it a little bit more shorter.
I like it short like this because it's a bit long.
Hey guys, Sweetness again. So now I'm here for part 3 of my day, which is going on a boat ride with my girlfriends and my hubby. That's what it is. So I had to do a little bit of tacking here and there with this birthday suit for tonight, but I should be fine. I'll just do a little tacking up or fixing up inside of the wash and whatever I need to do. But you know, other than that, I feel like I'm alright. I feel a bit more secured, so that's all that matters. But you guys are gonna be seeing some bad footage tonight.
Viewer discretion is advised.
If you have one happy in your life, I want you to sing it.
Mind your fucking business. Leave me alone when you see me. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Back way, back way. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Back way, back way.
There, baby, or you just mash up the things on your own, God.
Oh man.
Is it your birthday, my friend? Enjoy yourself. Look at that girl, she's glistening.
Bend over, bend over, bend over, back way, back way. Back way, back way.
Oh my God, of Israel, of life, of joy, of boat ride up. Light to it, come here, boy. Look on the birthday girl right now. Look on the birthday girl right now. Look on the birthday girl right now.
Bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over. Back way, back way.
Look on the birthday girl right again.
Bend over, bend over, bend over. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Back way, back way.
That's good. What do you mean? We can now wiggle. Wobble. Look on the birthday, wobble. Look on the birthday, wobble. Some girl just a wobble. Steamy, wobble. Shake it up, the friend. Come on, pussy ass. You know, we start back a voice for the boat, you know, what?
Sweetness ride and baby mother. Did you have a good time?
I had a very good time.
Tell me what about it did you enjoy?
You.
Oh baby, you did me. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it.
Baby.
Oh, tell them how you feel. So this one, Toya, eyes, she didn't dance. Shake Toya.
She owes me a dance.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sorry to put you guys on blast.
That's okay. Have a good night.
All right.
Oh, night.
This is for a vlog.
Vlog.
Bye, babe.
So we had brunch tonight.
Did you?
Yes, we did.
Who was saying bye to?
You're bad. No, I think you were, sir. Is that a word?
Oh wow.
Is that a word? Is that a word?
We'll Google it.
Were, sir. I tried better. No, you didn't. Oh, you like a mad lady.
Don't tell these people I drive bad.
No, you know why? Not bad in a rude way. Bad in a sex way. It's like boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
If she's driving that out, I'm not driving it with her, so I don't know what kind of driving that is.
God, don't listen to her. Don't listen to her.
Nice, so serious. She's
like a race car driver.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and what said she has stick? Yeah,
Yes,
she
I
like
know.
fast things.
I like sick, babes. I like sick.
You see, I'm a pimp just long.
Good.
We now return to your regular programming.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zarita. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, my dear. May the good Lord bless you.
You may. Oh, you need one little can. There you go.
Really wish you were.
That's all, folks.